I decided let me do my makeup because honestly, I don't know what time it is, but I haven't really done anything productive. I kind of did something productive today. Also, I want to show you guys something. We got a little kitten. His name is Caillou, and he's gonna freak out in a little bit. I'll try to show you guys him again in a bit, but he's not being cool right now. Anyway, so if you guys don't know, I'm allergic to cats, and yeah, so my allergies have never been better. They've been really a part of my life, very present. Are you ready? Can I hold you now? Come. You guys want to meet him? His name is Caillou. Hi. Recently, I tried to make my eyebrows more like straight, I guess you can say. Kind of succeeded, don't know about it. I'm gonna just take Flower Child, which is from the Tarte Bloom palette. Okay, really quickly, actually, I want to talk to you guys about this jewelry. So I'm actually wearing one of the necklaces right now, and as you guys can see, it says Zay in the middle and then XOXO. Here is another name necklace. This one is from my mom, and as you guys can see, the thickness of it is really nice. So it will definitely last a long time. I definitely recommend them. My mom loved the necklace. And I also love the size of the letters and the lettering itself. These are beautiful for stacking and just, you know, making it look like a cute set. I've gotten so many compliments. Don't forget to use my discount code. I will put it here as well. All this jewelry is from Jessemade.com. So each of the jewelry actually came in a little gift box like this, which is perfect if you want to gift them to someone. They're really simple. I love like little like delicate looking things, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's not too try hard. And I also love the fact that you can actually choose like how long you want it. I picked the shortest one, which I think was like 40 centimeters. I could be wrong, by the way, but it's the shortest length option. I like this look so far. What do you guys think? Maybe I just can't see well. I'm gonna take Funny Girl from the same palette. Alright, now I'm gonna take that same color and kind of like sweep it really good. It's a highlighter from from Too Faced. And I can't open it. First of all, I'm not feeling my hair at all. I don't know what to do with it. Alright, I'm not gonna touch my hair. Okay, so I'm actually gonna take this eyeliner here. It's from Makeup Forever, and it's in the shade 17. I don't know, it's like their liquid eyeliner. Anyways, I actually love how long this lasts. I just wish I didn't get the glitter one, but whatever. Like it. Alright, Why did I struggle so hard? I don't know. I think I can barely see this light. God. Oops. It's cute, you know, it's whatever. So now, I'm gonna pop these lashes on. Oh god. Very cool. So sometimes you actually use both of your hands, not just one. Okay, so I want to go back in with the same eyeliner, and then I'm going to do the inside of my eyes and then connect it. So from the bottom, I just go up and then across. Okay, so now that we have that done, I want to do some blush on the outer corners. The blush Hush Tone from MAC, and then I'm gonna just put it up high. I honestly didn't bring my bronzer, so I'm not gonna contour. So I'm gonna try to use the blush to contour pretty much. Alright, finally I'm gonna take the mascara and I'm actually gonna do my lower lashes. This is why I never do that, because I don't know how to, but it's cool. What the? My highlighter literally just came off. Okay, cool. Anyways, I'm just gonna apply that to my cheek. I'm gonna take Jet Setter to contour my nose a little bit. You know, just to make it look more snatched. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this color right here, 70 from Maybelline, and I'm going to put this on lightly. I'm gonna take a little bit of this to